Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game Last War Survival for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm not really that rich right now, but in the mod menu we can actually enable unlimited gems. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So it's super cool, guys, totally works. So yeah, this is so cool. So I'm just going to turn on unlimited gems right here, and let's see if it goes up. So currently I got 437 gems, which is really bad. And there they go. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Last War Survival modded version for your device, iOS and Android. So let's get straight into it, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So first thing we're going to do, go to our browser, go to tweakmod.com, type in Last War Survival, press install, and now we just got to do verification. So what we got to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. It's going to be 100% free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. All right, let's just see what happens. Here we go. All right, so yeah, it's super easy. The last step is the verification we gotta do, so we just have to download like 2 of these apps, complete the instructions. It's gonna be 100% for free. I'm gonna show you guys exactly to do it, so there's no problems. So as you can see, it says missing files, so we just need to download 2 of these. You can see they got like this game Travel Town. You gotta reach level 9, so you just press continue. Brings you to the Play Store. You download it, reach level 9. Then they've got like rewarded play, TikTok, misplay, downstall, play 4 games for 5 minutes. So just do a couple of these, and then you're going to have the Last War Survival hack. Unlimited gems, guys. So be sure to try it out. I'll see you guys later. But yes, it's super cool. Totally updated. Works for iOS and Android. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've had a lot of problems in the past, but this one's actually working. There's no ban. It's totally updated. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is fully working, guys. Super awesome. Bro, check it out. That's crazy.